Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Okay, let's open the labels first. And this is how it looks like with a 6.7 inches display. I'm having here the black version. On the back we have 3 cams with the main 50MP cam. And here on the side we will have the SIM tray. And below we will have here the USB Type-C port. We will have 2 microphones and the speaker. On top we will have here another microphone for the noise cancelling. If you want, you can add next to the main SIM card here at the SIM tray a second SIM card or a micro SD card. Okay, let's see what else is in the box, because in the cover of the box you will find another little white box here. Just remove it. On the back we have here the SIM ejection tool, and if you open this little white box we will have here the USB Type-C cable, and we have here some menus like the warranty card and so on, and a quick start guide. Pretty important for the USB Type-C cable is that you need to buy a power charging adapter because it's not part of the box, and for that you need to check that it has USB Type-C. So this one here. Don't check out for this one. This is the old one here with the big one, with the big USB one, with the regular one, USB Type-A. So you need the new one here, USB Type-C. Yeah, this has been a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So we will have the USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejection tool, some menus and a phone of course, but no power charging adapter, no headphone and no plastic film here to protect the screen. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks for the phone and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao!